So here is an unboxing for DJI Osmo Pocket 3. So it's pretty small, believe it or not. Like, this is the case for it. It does kind of feel like that, I don't want to say recycled cardboard, but kind of like recycled cardboard. Which, hey, it's gonna save the planet to put plastic straws back in my drink. I will take it. Oh my God, it has like even a serial number, like a cell phone. Oh my God. Does this appeal to you guys? Okay. It is so small, like that. This is, it's in here, so you guys can see. So it's this. It's like, what's in there? It's the gel silica. Don't eat. So here we have this, and this. Trash is out of the way now. All the things that you're gonna get in your box. So it's going to be this paperwork, this cord, this adapter, this secondary cord, and the camera itself. Oh, let's see. So I have that new remote post feel. I'll bleep that word out. Yes. Wow. This is very cool. Like, what is this? Reminds me of a like whenever you have, like, I shouldn't say that. The white, red and white brickle, like, for saying something like, oh, I can't say there. All right. So this is the case. I guess it comes with its own case. It just reminds me of a chamber, if you know what I mean, a magazine. Like, doesn't that look like? It's on the interior of the case that it is a wide angle lens and black pro matte at the bottom. So here it is. I believe this is the screen. It has like the plastic detailing, and I believe this kind of reminds me of like the analog stick, like if you play video games, you know, on the controller when it's the analog. This is supposed to have face tracking, so it's supposed to be able to pivot. And look at the size of this. It's pretty small. I get it why they call it a pocket, because it really could fit in your pocket. And I do appreciate that they have some sort of a case. So that's the camera. This is the case. The adapter. So here it is. This kind of reminds me of another form of packaging. Okay. It has like a cord, so it's not a cord that you think. Like, it's not another charging cord, but it's like a wristlet. So that way you can hook it onto the camera or the case. I would assume the case, especially since they have like this here. Because who wants to hook it really on the camera? And here is the charging cord. So, looks pretty good so far. So this is the inside of the booklet. It has DJI Nemo app, DJI Store app, and it has the QR code there for you to use with your phone. It's kind of giving you like the quick start guide. So I notice here it has 1, then 2, and then it jumps all the way to 7. So I'm assuming there's probably a lot more instructions. Or, oh, duh. Like, it's a genuine unboxing. It's super pamphlet style. Jesus loves you. So here's 3, and you swivel the screen, it looks like, to turn it on. And then it has like the little features or whatever on the screen. And then it has on, camera mode, on. All right, this is giving IKEA. This is giving IKEA. We love IKEA. Let's see if I can work with a pictograph right now with just like 1.5 cups of coffee for today. All right, let's get started. Let's see what this is looking like here. I'm pretty excited because I want to know, how much better is this? Is it a lot better? Is it kind of better? A little better? If it's a little better, it'll go back. Okay, so the IKEA picture is saying memory card or SD card, which we did purchase. We got this stuff. Everything that you see here can be purchased at Amazon. If you would like to support our channel, then you can click that link. We will receive a small commission, very small commission, but every cent counts towards achieving the dream, which is better quality productions to make people happy. Did you guys not know that was like the motto of our channel, was to make people happier, more positive? I think it's working, right? I love whenever a company or brand has scissors or a perforated line telling me how to tear apart a package. When I'm feeling a bit posh, I'll use the scissors, mate. I'm not feeling posh today. I just want to get this over with. I want to see how my camera works. I don't really want to go with the fuss about looking for a pair of scissors. I'm just going to rip it, stick it in its card, stick the card into the camera, and get on with it. Okay, forget everything that I just said. This plastic is made out of vibranium, so I'm gonna need scissors or that Avenger shield replica to go. Look at how small this is, and it says it has the audacity to say extreme. Yeah, so small. I feel like when I do stuff on camera, it's like I'm back in elementary school where you can't really have your fine motor skills. Oh my God, what is going on? Oh, that's a nice tight fit. She tight. Let's take off the protection and go raw with this. Let's see. Ooh. Oh my God. English. So as you guys see, I just turned this on. It does look like the default setting here is to have the camera facing outward, which I guess is good because anytime I use my phone and I forget the camera is front facing, I'm like, it's like, I don't know, it's so startling. So I will say the screen is pretty nice. Like, it kind of gives me that old camera style feel, like when you do use a camera, like you see how the font is where it's like pretty tight to the screen and it's like doing just enough to make it operable. Eventually, like I do love photography, and I do think that there is going to be a time when you're going to need maybe a better quality camera, like a DSLR, a mirrorless one, preferably for me, less weight, less bulk. But I know what I'm looking for in those cameras, and I know when I'm going to want to use those. But right now for the channel, right now for what we shoot, this is, hopefully, we'll show you the quality shots. Hopefully this is perfect. It's like you're talking too much. Go off. Left me on red. So this is it. It's finally downloaded. The app is the DJI Mimo. And oh wow, look at it. Oh, of course. You're not allowed to sue first kidney. Yeah. We have to agree. It's a shrink wrap agreement. Like, you don't know what it says, but it's a little different. Join project, not now. Wait, what is it saying? What project? Shared data, contributor. If you choose to participate in this project, the following information to the extent applicable will be collected and sent to DJI for analysis and product improvement purpose. DJI hardware and software info. Data includes product model, firmware version, application version, and device status. Mobile device info. Data includes operating device, system specification, and network information. Diagnostic and usage data. Data includes performance statistics, crash data, usage of DJI device and application, and usage of frequency of DJI device and application free. So basically, it's asking to, like, in a backhanded way, collect data about you, but pretend it's in like a way to make the product better. So not now. I don't want to. No. There we go. It's asking if it can send you all of these notifications. I usually say no first, and then if I realize I'm not getting information, then I change it. Connect and capture. Profile, which they're gonna ask you all this stuff. Jeez, this is like the boring part. So through the app, they do offer like an academy, which is just their way of saying it's a tutorial for you to be able to learn how to use the product better. It's pretty cool. It kind of reminds me, you know how if you hold a cat and like you can move their body but their head stays put? That's kind of what it reminds me of. Not that I've ever had a cat, but Joe has had cats. So here are some of the features. It has panorama, photo, video, let's see, low light, slow motion, and time lapse. So it has a lot of different things. And that's my Coraline doll. It looks pretty cool actually. I like the vibrancy of the screen. I just can't wait to see how it looks when I'm done shooting with something. Let's see. You're like gripping something. I do like that it has a matte finish, because you know, if you're like gripping something, if it has like the shiny exterior, then it makes it more slippery and you're more prone to drop it. We do have the extended battery, which also acts as like a grip. We didn't do the vlogger creator kit though, because I just felt like that was kind of overpriced, and we ended up buying it, like the grip or the extended battery, through a third party, through Amazon. So whenever you're turning it off, you can do like that, and it counts down until it powers out, and it turns and it like self-locks, which is cool. So you don't have to worry about trying to remember which direction the lens should face, because it does it for you. This is the portable power bank for the Pocket 3. All of this stuff will be linked just so you can find it, because at first I kind of had a hard time finding it because I was just calling it like a grip, and then, or like a gimbal, but it's actually called a portable power bank. So this is what this looks like. And another magazine style like device. It has where it's the plug-in port that connects here. It connects, it gives you the battery percentage. Here it says it's 51%. Turning it on, English, because I still haven't fully set it up yet. Shutting down, and rotates. Let's see if this charges. It's at 51% now. It says it's fast charging. The battery here has 3 bars now. Now it's at 52%. So yeah, it is working to charge this. So I got this on a good sale. The power bank, I mean. It was $40, and then Amazon had some like additional coupon that you can add, and then I got it for $26. So I came out good. Look, it's already at 53%. So it is fast charging. Can't wait to see how it holds up. So for this, you have full extension here. This is the camera, the grip. We do have like a stand to hold it, because it's not gonna hold like you guys see. It just like almost fell. So we do have one of those to help support it. Those were very inexpensive too. I think it was just like $10, but it just hasn't arrived yet. This is so light. Like, I can't believe how light it is. It's a little bit heavier than a cell phone, but less awkward to hold than the cell phone. So like before, I used to have to hold the phone like this, and now I can just hold it like the camera like this. It'd be kind of funny. It makes me feel like it's a wand, like goodbye, rides, whoosh. These are also the stickers that came with it as well. Very cool.
Here.
You do have Kofi. So between yesterday and today, we would have had 3 of them.
Yeah, we would have, yeah. The only one we didn't find is Xavier. No, this is Xavier Woods. Yeah.
Yeah, this is Xavier Woods. It was Kofi yesterday and Roman Reigns.
Yes, right. So we technically.
Oh, okay. Wait for this. Looks like Star Wars. Did you? Ultra soft.
Yes, we'll grab the one with lotion.
Now you can enjoy the blow.
Yeah.